The IPO season is going on in the Indian market, and to add to the story, we have Deepak Chemtex, which is a small and medium enterprise. And so this video we'll be covering today the IPO details as well as a little bit of analysis of the financials of a company. It's going to be very quick and short, so stay with me till the very end. So the company was incorporated in 1997 and is mainly engaged in the manufacturing of colorants for food, drug, cosmetics, cleaning compounds, and different product ranges, mostly in the chemical sector, salt-free dyes, pond dyes, and other colorants for various applications. The main manufacturing facility is located in a district in Maharashtra. So now coming to the IPO details, which is kind of awaited for this company. It will open on the 29th of November and will continue and close on December 1st. It will carry a fresh issue of 28.8 lakh shares, where the price band ranges from 76 rupees to 80 rupees per share. And the main intention of the company to really come out with this IPO is to fund its expenditure and towards the funding of its subsidiary, as well as working capital and some other corporate expenses. So the allotment of the share is expected to be finalized by the 6th of December, and it's predicted that it will be listed on the 11th of December tentatively. ये तो हो गई हमारी IPO की details. अभी एक quick analysis of this stock. Actually इसमें invest करना worth it है, इसमें actually जाना worth it है या नहीं. So based on the issue price, the company's P is calculated at 10.12 per share, which is moderate and fair given the industry average, which ranges at around 46 rupees. And the revenue has actually decreased from the previous financial year, but the PAT, on the other hand, has increased by about 49.14% from the previous year. We can really consider, given its valuation, here is a chart which will actually give you more details about this company in terms of the segments, the assets which have increased or decreased over time. And let me know in the comment section below whether you feel that it is a company worth risking your money into by going for an IPO, or should you actually wait? Once it's listed, then you will probably decide whether you should invest or not. But given all these updates about the company, I feel like since it is an established company which was established in the 1990s, it is not going to be a haywire, or it should not be a haywire decision, but it has a fundamental base to it. So you can really decide what you want to do. And as the disclaimer, it is not a financial advice, it is just for your financial information. So catch you all in the next video, which can be even more exciting. And let me know in the comment section if you have something for me to update you on.